Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a different video. So this is the gaming mechanical keyboard unboxing video. So I am going to unbox this keyboard. So this is the Fantech MK885. I will come back to you guys after unboxing it. So guys, I have unboxed this device. So this is the gaming keyboard. So first of all, I want to show you the description. So this has RGB colors, 100% waterproof, spectrum mode 14, all keys anti-ghost and macro supported, and dual shot injection caps and window lock key also. So everything is available. So this is the MK885 model Fantech. So I will show you the back also. So this one has 30% faster travel distance, so which you can see, fully RGB gaming and mechanical keyboard. So I will open this. So it is open now. So these are some packings, and this is the owner's owner's manual I got here, user manual. So I don't want to see it right now. I'm just excited for this beautiful keyboard. So guys, this is the keyboard. So very amazing, very beautiful. So these are the Cherry MX blue switches, as you can see right here. So very beautiful. I will show you the as you can see, the sound quality is very amazing, very beautiful keyboard. So from the back side, so it is quite heavy, as you can see. So from the back it says the MK885. So the wire is also very amazing, as you can see. So I will come back to you guys after showing you the lights and everything. So guys, this is the keyboard, as you can see right now. So this is the keyboard. So very beautiful, as you can see. The lightings is very amazing. So if I open this key right here, as you can see, very beautiful Cherry MX blue switches. So this is the driver I have opened. So if you want to choose the lightning settings, you can do whatever you want. So if you press F1 plus INS, you can see different modes, different lighting modes. So these are the different lighting modes. So these are the different lighting modes, as you can see. So very amazing lighting effects. So this is the snake effect. So these are the effects, as you can see. So this is the driver, as you can see. So these have different neon stream modes, and so this is the snake mode, as you can see. So you can also have snake one mode. So these are the different types of modes. So if you will flash away, so this is, this is the brightness control, as you can see. So this is the game mode the most I like. So this is the game mode. So if you want to do like you want to play Call of Duty, press F and +3 or do it from here. So these are the settings, very amazing. So but if you want to change the lightning colors of this also, so you can press here, and for example you want the blue color from this key, you can double click here and look, this is the blue. So if you want to make the S key blue, you can do whatever you want. So very amazing. So and if you want to do a orange color, as you can see on this key, so you can see this is now orange. So very amazing customization. As you can see, this software is very amazing. You can do many settings on this device. So this is rainbow, as you can see, many lighting effects. If you press the F and plus INS, you can check any setting. So I will show you the neon stream. So this is the neon stream, as you can see, like this is doing like this. So if you make the speeds full, then it will work like this, full speed, very amazing, full speed. So this is the lowest speed, as you can see, very slow. So many settings, reaction setting is this. If you press the key, it will lit up. If you press any key, it will lit up. So this is the speed, this is the brightness, as you can see. So very amazing keyboard. So if you want to purchase this, I will give the link in the description below. And thank you for watching this video, and peace out.